Spring Creek Farm is our newest neighborhood in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, located right in the Cumberland Valley School District in the ideal location of Mulberry Drive and Woods Drive in Mechanicsburg. You're minutes from the Carlisle Pike with easy access to Interstate 81 and Route 15 that can take you into Carlisle, Harrisburg, or even Camp Hill. It is one of our most highly desirable locations in Cumberland County. Spring Creek Farms is going to feature over 80 single-family home sites. It's going to feature our most popular floor plans ranging from 2,200 square feet all the way up to 4,000 square feet. The model we are featuring at Spring Creek Farms is our beautiful and popular Hawthorne Vintage. Our Hawthorne Vintage is 4 bedrooms and 3,600 square feet. The focal point of this model is our amazing 2-story family room and our beautiful garden kitchen. This home also has a beautiful finished basement and great architectural features on the front with beautiful stone. The owner's retreat within the Hawthorne Vintage is located on the 2nd floor. This owner's retreat highlights a custom added sitting room that flows into an outdoor private deck. Keystone Custom Homes affords all of our buyers the ability to personalize and customize their home with the features that are most important to them. If you're looking for a beautiful new home that you have the ability to personalize and customize to your own selections, located within Mechanicsburg and the Cumberland Valley School District, convenient to Harrisburg, Camp Hill, and Carlisle, Spring Creek Farms is the neighborhood for you.